What's happening? What's up? How you doing? Hi. Today I got a special treat for y'all. We're adding in elbows with our combinations. I'm gonna teach y'all some real Muay Thai, 8-limb martial arts. Let's get it.
What are you teaching? Oh my goodness.
Alright, so we're gonna work with elbows in our combinations today. But first, I have to teach you how to throw an elbow. Alright, so first off, same thing like I always tell you with the hands. Keep your hands up to your face. I'm gonna teach you how to throw a left elbow first. So, you have up elbows, down elbows, back elbows, across with the elbows. But the thing is, you always want to protect yourself. So, if I'm here, if I throw my left elbow across, I want to block my face with my right hand to make sure that I don't get hit with any other punches. To throw an elbow, you will have to close in the distance. And now you're in striking range. Now you're in a dangerous territory. So you must protect yourself. So if I'm here, I'm going to cover my face with my right hand and bring my elbow across. So if I'm here, I'm going bam, bam. I'm going to slice them. Same thing with punches. I'm going to move my feet. I'm going to pivot. I'm going to move my hips. I'm going to bring everything into that elbow. I'm going to make sure I slice them up real good. So another thing with elbows, it depends on how you want to damage your opponent. If I really want to slice him up and just stop the fight from him bleeding so much, I want to hit him right here in his brow line, in his eyebrow line. I want to slice that up, have the blood get in his eyes. He won't be able to see. His vision get blurred. You can finish the fight from there. It's hard to fight with bad vision. So cut him up right here in the eye, make the blood drip down to his eye, make him unable to see. Or if it's bad enough, the doctor will stop it. Feel free to take that how you will. So from here, I'm going in. Bam, elbow to the face. If I'm on the bag, like I said again, you want to keep that jab hand out just to get that distance until you're ready to come in. Once you're ready to come in, I'm going to jump in. Bam. See how I keep my hands up to my face in case they're throwing the punch back at me. Here, here, bam. Elbow to the face. I want to hit them right here, right at the blade, right at the blade. Slice them. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a bit whip sound on the bag. You want to slice it. So if I'm here, slice them up. On the bag, you might get some dead skin peeled off your elbow or something, because that's if you want to slice them up. If you want to damage them and knock them out, then that means you just got to go a little deeper on that elbow. You want to hit them with the whole thing. You want the power to get into them. So instead of slicing them, you step in just slightly deeper and just bang them with the whole elbow and slightly on the forearm. So from here, instead of slicing, I'm going in. Same thing from here, jumping in, I'm hit him. It's gonna be the knockout. So now we're going up with the up elbow with the same arm. So instead of going across, bam, we're going up. From here, bam. So if I'm going up with the elbow, it's gonna be like I'm combing my hair. So for me, if you're my opponent, I'm staring at you right now, I'm gonna act like I'm grooming myself, I guess. So from here, instead of me going across, I'm going here, slicking my hair back. Here, slicking my hair back. Again, here, slicking my hair back. Up elbow, up elbow. So this is my opponent. Again, I'm always checking my distance. I'm never gonna start here. I'm always starting here in a safe range where I can punch, I can kick. If I wanna close my distance for an elbow, that's what I do. But until then, I'm always having my distance. So from here, I wait on the right opportunity. I jab, jab, jab. Bam, I come in with the elbow. Again, here, come in with the up elbow. One more time. Come in with the up elbow. Now let's go to the right side. With the right side, I'm going across. A lot of times, that's all the right elbow is gonna do. You're gonna go across, or if you want to, if you miss that going across, you can come back up with a back elbow. If you want to take it to street fighting, cool. You can throw spike elbows, 12 to 6. That's what we call those elbows, 12 to 6. Spike down on them. Let's start with going across. From here, Again, you want to protect your face. From here, I look at you. From here, if I want to go with my right elbow, covering my face with my left hand, now bringing it across. Again, from here, bringing it across. One more time from here, I bring it across. Bringing it across, bringing it across. So, my opponent is here, bring it across, here, bring it across, here, bring it across. Their right elbow is gonna be more damaging than the left will. The left is more for damaging, or it's meant for slicing up their eyes. With the right, I'm trying to damage you, I'm trying to hurt you. That's your power side. Hurt them with it. So combination you can do with the left and right elbow. The left going up, the right is going across. So it's from here, I'm going up and across. One more time, I'm going here, up, across. One more time, taking my distance, I'm going up and across. Let's put that into a combination. Let's get my gloves for this one. Bam. 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 We're gonna start off by setting up the combination and executing the elbows. So we're gonna start off by maintaining my distance. I'm gonna do that by keeping my jab hand out. So instead of throwing my jab, I'm gonna just leave my left hand out to keep my distance. I can leave it out, I can paw my jab. I'm not gonna fully commit to it as a jab. I'm just gonna leave it out to keep myself protected from getting hit or whatnot. So anyway, keeping my jab here, closing my distance. As I'm closing my distance, I'm lining them up for my straight right. That's what I really want. I'm gonna line them up with my straight right. So from here, keeping my distance. When I'm ready to take off, when I see that opportunity, I'm taking it. I'm taking it with that straight right. So it's from here, 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 here. When I see the straight right available, I'm taking it. And notice when I throw that straight right, I'm leaning to my left. I still have this arm cocked. I'm not cocking it, but I'm cocking my body by turning my shoulder into it with the right. Once I hit him with the right, my hand is already loaded up for the left hook to the body. So it's from here, I'm already loaded up. Here, notice I bring my right hand back to my face, and I'm hitting him with that body shot. As I hit him with the body shot, notice my right hand is already cocked for that right elbow. So it's from here, all I have to do is just turn my shoulder in. Bam. Again, I keep my left hand out, posting. I'm pawing with the jab. When I see that opportunity to throw that right hand, I'm already there. Bam. As soon as I'm there, I'm coming in with the left, coming in with the right elbow. Speed it up a little bit. Here, bam, bam, bam. See the opportunity? Bam, bam, bam. One more time from here. Bam, bam, bam. So I paw, I fill them out with the jab. I wait for that opportunity to throw that too. Bam, bam, bam. One more time. Here. Bam, bam. Cool. All right, so before I end this video, I'm gonna do it in real time so you can really see how to set it up, really see how the punch goes, really see how the flow goes. So, here we go. Find my angles, I find my opportunity. When I see it, one time. Line them up. Here. Like I said, I like flowing. So, I'll show you other things to do after that, but after the elbow, you can add knees, you can push off, you can add kicks to it, you can add whatever you want. We'll do that for the next video. Thank you for joining me today, and whatever you do not forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, and remember, protect yourself at all times, be quick, be evasive, have fun. See you next time. Bam.